at Red Deer, and we made a Timmy's and Donut Mill. Stop. Why are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
Like you're mad. God. Okay, this is the Donut Mill.
This is my ice cap.
And I got, or Mike got me steep tea.
Yeah.
Half steep tea and half coffee.
So we're just gonna, have some breakfast, have a snack before we keep driving. And, just really take our time on this road trip.
Tell us what we've been listening to.
We've been listening to a podcast. It's about a girl who went missing, but then they just found her dead body because her boyfriend killed her.
Yeah.
So
it was very interesting.
Very riveting.
Yeah.
Yes.
But we're probably gonna listen to more podcasts because they actually make time go by faster.
Joe Rogan experience.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Now we have this Mitsubishi flavor is octopus, and it has some seaweed.
It's spicy.
We're
salmon.
gonna try it out. Here we go.
That's good.
Yeah.
Those are from
yummy.
TNC. I think they're new. Nikki bought me them. Or bought me
Not
one
bad.
yesterday.
Not bad.
Yeah. He's on to his second donut, guys. He also finished the sandwich I made. Second one right there. And this is really good. I would get it again. Oh, on to the third one. That's Boston cream, right? Yum. Hey guys, this is kind of sad. When we reached Calgary, it was actually not that bad with the smoke, and it was actually pretty sunny. But when we started to go to Banff and Canmore, it's a bit rainy, and we're sad because we think that the trails are gonna be a bit muddy and slippery. But we're gonna try it out anyways and see if we can still do a hike. But really gonna finish the trail, but we see fresh droppings, and it's a bit eerie and quiet. Beautiful lookout.
So I'm just taking a break from driving, and May's driving now. We're getting a bit hungry, so May made these sandwiches. One thing that May is really good at, one thing is she's really good at making sandwiches.
The one.
And yeah, she put Dylan this, what's the cheese? Havarti cheese and Mediterranean chicken, and then also some mayonnaise. And tomato. It's pretty good. We're just on our way back to Calgary now, so that we can get some groceries and prepare for the Raptors game.
Hey guys, so we have checked into our hotel. We came back to Calgary. I am wearing my North Toronto Raptors lucky shirt because they're playing right now, and I just wanted to give a quick hotel tour before we start watching. So first, this is the door. This is just a little desk or table with the coffee stuff and the ice bucket. Here's our washroom. Oh, and that's not poop, that is green cilantro. This is our shower. Nothing special. This is just a small room. Just our closet space. And this is our room. That's it. It's just one king bed. There's Mike. There's the Raptors. We're getting ready for game 1.
Like guacamole.
This is some fresh guac we had. We just made that. We got that with, oh yeah. We got that with some beers to enjoy. Because it's game day.
And we have Sprite as well.
And Sprite. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our day. We went hiking earlier. That was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, and now we're gonna enjoy the Raptors game. See you later. So who won, Mike?
The Raptors, baby.
Yeah!
Miami, baby. Miami. Yeah.
Yeah! Okay, well, we're signing off for the night. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. Today it is May 31st. It is 11 a.m. and we are heading out of Calgary because we are heading to Canmore to stay at the hotel that my mom and dad have for their timeshare. It's a bit smoky. It's very smoky, actually. I think all of the smoke moved down south to Calgary, and now it's here, and we don't know if it's even worth hiking anymore. We're actually supposed to go to Saw Rail Ridge, but if we're driving halfway there and it's still smoky, we might turn back to Canmore and just stay in town, which is sad. How was our hike yesterday, Mike?
It was alright. Not really a hike. It was more of a trail.
Yeah.
But it had some good views. We got to meet some goats.
Yeah.
And it was also very peaceful because it was just us two on the trail.
Yeah.
It was nice.
It was a bit eerie just because it was just two of us, and like we're used to having so many people around us, like with Howling last year. But yeah, there was no one around, and it was a bit windy. It was not sunny at all. We're gonna try to go for Saw Rail Ridge, but we'll see how the smoke is down there. Okay, so we were actually not gonna go to Saw Rail Ridge anymore because it was just too smoky as we were driving out of Calgary. And we were actually contemplating whether we should go to Canmore or Banff, just do a hike there. As we were Googling places to go, it actually cleared up really nicely. So look outside. So nice.
Hell yeah.
Yay.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yay!
Yeah. Yes. So we just got here at Rawson Lake. You can see behind us, it's quite beautiful.
It's really nice.
It took a while to get here, and it's kind of hard because there's no service, but you know, we're here now. The trail is somewhere in there, but yeah, the lake is really nice to begin with. So I'll see you guys when we're up there. Have a good one. Peace.
there's a lot of snow on this hike, but we're gonna keep going.
Yeah. As you can see, it's very snowy, but it's so weird. It's like we're in a different world because, you know, it's so hot,
Yeah.
but there's still like 2 feet of snow on the ground.
It's May 31st,
Yeah.
last day of May. It's almost June, but there's still snow here. We finished the trail. We just only got up to the lake part. I'll show you a clip of where we actually were when we were on the top. But now we finished the trail. We're down beside the lake and now we're gonna have some lunch, some sandwiches. What did you think of the trail?
I think it was pretty good. The first part was very steep, but then after that it was pretty easy. The snow gave you grip as you put your weight on the snow. And yeah, no, it was good. I like the view from up there.
We talked to...
Do it again, right?
No, I'll just cut this out.
Okay.
So we got to the lake part, and we actually were supposed to go up to the ridge. That would have taken another 45 minutes to 1 hour, but it was way too snowy. We tried, but we would fall into the snow and it would be about knee-high deep, which is pretty bad. So we're gonna come back, but this is a really nice lake.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a bit of a snack. We got some beer with us and some sandwiches that Mike is gonna pull out now. This is our view, and over there inside this mountain area, that's where the lake was, and we were around that part right there. Oh, we got the point really quickly. Where's the milk?
Can't find the milk. Right there, I'm trying to find the milk, but it's unbelievable. We can't find the milk right then.
Why do you want milk?
For these Pop Tarts, we get in the frosted chocolate fudge Pop Tarts. It's on sale for $2.50. Might as well try it out, you know. Back home it's £4, but here it's only $2.50, roughly around like £2 40 pence. So you know it's quite good of a deal.
All right.
Then, yeah.
Why are you talking in that kind of accent, eh?
Right. This is the accent I was born with. Yeah.
It's right there. I told you. The milk is right there. I was right. Listen to me. You can get the yeah, that one. It's $1.77. That one's good. Everything else is pretty expensive.
Right then, just for this one right here, June 14. It's quite fresh.
Ooh, look at them cakes. Cakes. All right.
Cakes.
It's just beautiful. I just want to film it. Like, look at the mountains.
Oh, a rat! It's a rat! It's a cockroach!
Like, this is so beautiful coming out of the grocery store and seeing all this.
Go mad, go crazy, go bonkers.
Hey y'all, so we're in our other hotel now. I'm just gonna give a little quick tour. So first, this is the entryway. That's the main door. This is the washroom. Oh, it's not good. It's in the shower. Ooh, and it's getting a bit smoky in here because Mike's cooking. But yeah, this is just the room, TV, bed, a pull-out bed, the kitchenette. Mike is cooking some soup. Oh, and some veg. Yum.
Yes.
He's making some Indomie for our late night snack. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Oh, shit. Alright, so we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night, have some noodles. We'll be back later.
Alright guys, so what I made here, camera up here please. What I made here is Indomie with a twist, something more gourmet. I added some stir-fried mushrooms, bell peppers, as well as some onions, and topped it with some cilantro. And then we just have some fried eggs here. Made sure it's a little bit yolky still, which will taste nicely on the noodles of the Indomie. And we have some to drink. We have frosted glasses for our beer we have, which is ice cold as well. And yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you very much for being here with me, and let's enjoy our dinner.
Okay. Alright, hey guys, it is the next morning and we are about to leave Falcon Crest. Everything is pretty much packed up. Well, we just gotta put things away.
Yeah.
Mike is gonna get some ice.
Yes, for our cooler.
Yeah. I wanted to show you something that we covered up last night because we were really scared. Well, we were just creeped out by this photo.
It's scary. It's right by the bed too.
Yeah, it's right beside the bed, so we don't want that to be like the last thing we see. But this is just a few people looking at us. It's a really old photo. It's from 1900s or 1903. It's at the Sulphur Springs Basin, oh shit, National Park. So yeah, we're about to leave. We're gonna say bye to Falcon Crest, goodbye to Canmore. We're gonna head to Calgary.
Yeah.
Right?
We're gonna eat some Tokyo street market. It's some place that we want to try. And yeah, it'll be good.
Alright, catch you later.
Hi, my name is Seth Reyes. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and I am 24 years old. Follow me on Instagram, Seth Reyes.
What's your YouTube account?
My YouTube account is Seth Travels. I vlog about everything. Yeah, follow me.
Awesome. Trying to get Robin drunk tonight. Look at that. That's this is a 60, right?
Watch nobody be there. And
They're cleaning up now.
the lights are on and I'm
Some
just stacking the
wine?
chairs.
Sure.
I don't think they'll let us.
Mr. DJ, pass the aux cord, bitch.
Freaking Mike was like, should I take over? Should I take over?
Shut up.
DJ Mike the man.
Tell me where we just came from.
We just came from Rolami. We picked up the lechon.
As well as the kakanin right here.
Yeah.
We'll show you the lechon when we get home, but it looks pretty good, right?
Yes, it does. Today,
And it smells really good in the car.
Yeah. And today we're celebrating. I know it's kind of like just a random day, but we're celebrating graduation. Me and Nikki's grad.
Yeah.
Passing our NCLEX, and Nikki and Jerome getting a job. So
Nice.
it's kind
And
of
you're-
tied up into one day.
You're next, hey mate?
Yeah, I'm next. Eventually.
Yeah, we'll show you the pig later when we get home.
Yeah. Hello. So this is the end of the weekend vlog. It's the end of the party.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was a fun weekend, very tiring. And now we're just gonna relax. Yeah, our trip went by really fast, and then Saturday went fast, and same with today. So yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching.
Enjoy.
Bye.